Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to enable USB device, or I would say USB port, how to enable or how to disable USB port. So if you have any device connected, you can disable or enable it, and it's a very straightforward process. So you just need to do a right click in the start icon and then go to device manager. And here at the bottom, I'll just maximize it. At the very bottom, you will find Universal Serial Bus Controller, and we need to expand it. I'll just click next to the arrow of it. And here you will find USB root hub, USB 3.0 or 2.0, depends on your computer. So I have two USB ports and I can disable or enable any of it. So let's say if I want to disable the first USB port, I just have to do a right click and I need to click on disable. And I'll just click on disable. It will ask you to click on yes. So I'll just click on yes. And it is got disabled. And I just have to do a right click again and I can enable it again. So this is how you can disable or enable USB root hub. And I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial. Guys, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.